everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys some new colors of the glitter vinyl that I had sold before. Some of them are repeat colors if you had ordered it, but I do have some new colors that I thought you might be interested in. So basically, I did have this on my other channel showing you some little embellishments that I made using this glitter vinyl. So right now all I have are these planar clips that I recently made. I did make a whole bunch of these, and I will go ahead and do a separate video just showing you the process and things like that in a little bit more detail. But these are so pretty, and I love that sparkle and shine that you get. I did cut these using my magnolia bow die, and it doesn't cut through all the way, but it does leave enough of an impression that you can just use a pair of scissors and cut around them, and you can really get some really cute bows. There's also other embellishments that you can make. Really, the sky's the limit as long as you can cut it. So you don't need dies. You can use a good sharp pair of scissors to cut these. These are not like the faux leather from Hobby Lobby, which is more on the thin side. These are pretty thick. You do also want to use a good strong adhesive. I recommend either E6000 or some glossy accents. I also did combine that with some of my art glitter glue, which I actually will do a wet adhesives review coming up real soon, so look out for that. But I just wanted to show you a couple of quick examples of what you can do with this. A lot of other people use this vinyl to create TN covers. All you have to do is cut them down to size, and it makes a really, really nice cover. So I am selling these bundles, and there are 7 total pieces of one of each different color, and I will show you that in a second. But if you are interested, these will be $23 shipped. So basically $5.50 of that will be shipping, because I do have to send it out priority due to the weight. These are pretty heavy. If you guys have ever handled any of this before, each sheet is quite heavy, and there's 7 of them. So so $5.50 of that will be just for shipping. So these bundles are really $17.50, and then the shipping on top of that, which makes it $23. Each one of these pieces are at a minimum of 20 inches long, except for the pink. And that's only because this is just the size that it came in. The pink is just a little bit shorter than the other colors. So you will get this white. This one is a little bit different than the other ones. It does have a really nice fine shimmer to it, and I hope you guys are catching that. This one is also a little bit lighter, so I think these will die cut a little bit easier than the other ones, but it is just a really, really pretty white sparkle. And these are all 8 inches wide as well. So it is at a minimum of 8 inches by 20 inches. And as you will see, as I get down to the other colors, some of them have more than that. So here is the pink one, and I really hope I'm not blinding you, but these are just so sparkly. So here's the pink with the silver glitter embedded in it. This, of course, is my favorite, the blue one. It is like, it's not really, I guess it's more like turquoise in color. I just don't know how to get this color across to you other than what you see, but it is a gorgeous, gorgeous blue. Also, you will get this silver. Look how pretty that is. So this is one of the new colors, just like the white. Here is the black glitter. And I'm sure you can make some awesome like Halloween type embellishments using this black one. Okay, another one of the new colors is this beautiful gold one. It is a much richer gold than like the champagne gold, but it is really pretty. And as you can see, all of these are super, super sparkly. I love working with this. And also the great thing about these glitter vinyls is that if you do happen to get anything on them, you can take a baby wipe or a damp cloth and wipe that away. That's why it's great for traveler's notebooks covers. And then lastly, you will get this beautiful, it's like a royal purple. And this one is actually the longest out of all the colors. And this one is about 21, 22 inches. So you do get a little bit more with this purple. So like I said, each one of these will be 8 inches and at a minimum of 20 inches, except for the pink one. That's just how it came off the bolt. So you will get the purple, the gold, the black, the silver, the blue, the pink, and then this shimmer white. So I always like to have some of this on hand. I just thought I would share with those of you that cannot find these in your area. Okay, so that is it for the bundle. I will make sure to package these up really, really securely and in a way that no marring or crease marks are on it, because I want you to be able to use the entire piece and not have pieces that basically are wrinkled and things like that. If you are interested, I do have 5 of these bundles left. So they are first come, first served. Unfortunately, I cannot hold anything. They will be US only, PayPal only, through friends and family, please. And make sure to leave your mailing address in the notes section when you're checking out so that I know where to send this to. You will also receive a tracking number as soon as your package ships. Also, I ask that you pay as soon as I give you confirmation whether the bundle is available or not, and that's so that I can let other people in line know whether there is a bundle available for them to purchase or not, and that just alleviates a lot of the confusion. So please let me know if you're interested in purchasing a bundle of this glitter vinyl. My email address will be in the description box below. And if I missed anything, that information will be down there as well. And I hope you guys are having a great week so far, and I will be back real soon with another video. Bye everyone.